know where it is not hot? Inside this house that has central AC. Come on in through the coolness and let's give you a tour so you can check it out. Whew, it is so much better in here. This AC keeps it cool. Not only is the AC cool, but so is the size of this room. It is really large. Talk about great gatherings during the holiday season to invite friends and family over. Tons of space here in this dining room. Now let's check out the rest of the house. The only other thing that's possibly going to get it hot in here is this kitchen when you start throwing down that food cooking, because with a home this size, you're definitely going to be able to fit a lot of people in here, so you're definitely going to need to throw down some good meals. If you'd like to schedule your personal tour of 3310 Earl Street in Pasadena, Texas, give me a call. I'm Miranda, the Texas Queen of Real Estate.